Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the noun sentences, which are isim cümleleri in Turkish. Noun is isim, sentence is cümle. And as a compound noun, noun sentences is isim cümleleri. To make noun sentences in Turkish, we will need personal pronouns and personal pronoun suffixes, which you can see on the right. Now let's start. The first sentence is, I am a doctor. Let's write it. I, ben, doctor, almost the same, doktor. And we are going to add the personal pronoun suffix to the end, doktorum. I'm a doctor, ben, doktorum. So to write the personal pronoun is not enough. We need to write the personal pronoun suffix to the end. Let's write another one. You are an engineer. Let's write it. You, sen, engineer, mühendis, which is coming from Arabic to Turkish language. And we need to add the personal pronoun suffix to the end, sin. You are an engineer, sen mühendissin. Another one. He is a student. Let's write it. He, o, student, öğrenci. There is no personal pronoun suffix for o, so the sentence is he is a student, o öğrenci. Another one. We are teachers. Let's write it. We, biz, teacher, öğretmen. We are teachers, öğretmen is. As you see, for the personal pronoun we, the plural noun teachers is singular in Turkish. We don't say öğretmenler. We say öğretmen. We can use it in the singular form. Biz öğretmeniz. Another one, again plural. You are managers. You plural, siz. Again, instead of managers, we are going to say manager, singular form. Müdür. It's not müdürler, müdür. With the personal pronoun suffix, müdürsünüz. You are managers. Siz müdürsünüz. And the last one, they are drivers. They, onlar. You're not going to write drivers. You are going to write driver in the singular form. Şoför. And with the personal pronoun suffix, ler. They are drivers. Onlar şoförler. All right, these are the positive noun sentences. Now let's see the negative noun sentences. The first example, I am not a doctor. Let's try to write it. I, ben, doctor, doktor, not a doctor, değil, doktor, değil. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end, değilim. I am not a doctor. Ben doktor değilim. Another example. You are not an engineer. Let's write it. You, sen, engineer, mühendis. Not engineer, mühendis değil. You are not an engineer, mühendis değilsin. So, you are not an engineer is sen mühendis değilsin. Another one. He is not a teacher. Let's write it. He, o, teacher, öğretmen, not teacher, öğretmen değil. There is no personal pronoun suffix. So, he is not a teacher is o öğretmen değil. Let's see a plural example. We are not students. Let's write it. We, biz. Instead of students, we are going to write only student in the singular form. Öğrenci, not student, öğrenci değil. With the personal pronoun suffix, değiliz. We are not students. Biz öğrenci değiliz. Another example. You are not managers. Let's write it. You plural, siz. Instead of managers, we are going to write manager, müdür. Not manager, müdür değil. You are not manager, değilsiniz. You are not managers. Siz müdür değilsiniz. And the last example. They are not drivers. Let's write it. They, onlar. Instead of drivers, we are going to write driver, singular. Şoför, not driver, şoför değil. With the person pronoun suffix, değiller. They are not drivers. Onlar şoför değiller. Alright, now let's see the question sentences. The question suffix is m, mi, or mu, mü, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. Let's see an example. Am I a doctor? Let's try to write it. Ben, doctor, doktor, question suffix, person pronoun suffix. But as you see, there are two vowels and they cannot be together, so we need a buffer letter between them. Ben doktor muyum? Am I a doctor? Ben doktor muyum? Let's see another example. Are you an engineer? Let's write it. You, sen, engineer, mühendis, question suffix, mi, person pronoun suffix, sin. Are you an engineer? Sen mühendis misin? Sen mühendis misin? Another one. Is he a teacher? Let's write it. He, o, teacher, öğretmen, question suffix. There is no person pronoun suffix. So, is he a teacher? O öğretmen mi? Let's see some plural examples. Are we students? Let's write it. We, biz. Instead of students, we are going to write student, öğrenci, singular, question suffix, and person pronoun suffix. Two vowels cannot be together, so we need a buffer letter between them. Are we students? Biz öğrenci miyiz? Biz öğrenci miyiz? Another one. Are you managers? Let's write it. You plural, siz. Manager, singular, müdür. Question suffix, person pronoun suffix. Are you managers? Siz müdür müsünüz? And the last one. Are they drivers? Let's write it. They, onlar. Driver, şoför. Question suffix. And we don't need a person pronoun suffix, just like in the example for person pronoun o. So for o and onlar, we don't use any person pronoun suffix in the question form. Are they drivers? Onlar şoför mü? All right. Now let's see the negative questions. The sentence is, am I not a doctor? Let's try to write it. Ben, doctor, doktor, not doctor, doktor değil, question suffix, person pronoun suffix. We need a buffer letter because of the vowels. Am I not a doctor? Ben doktor değil miyim? Ben doktor değil miyim? All right. Another one. Are you not an engineer? Let's write it. You, sen, engineer, mühendis, not engineer, mühendis değil, question suffix, person pronoun suffix. Are you not an engineer? Sen mühendis değil misin? Another example. Is he not a teacher? Let's write it. He, o, teacher, öğretmen, not teacher, öğretmen değil, question suffix. There is no person pronoun suffix. So, is he not a teacher? O öğretmen değil mi? The plural ones. Are we not students? Let's write it. We, biz, student, singular, öğrenci, not student, öğrenci değil, question suffix, person pronoun suffix. We need a buffer letter between the vowels. So, are we not students? Biz öğrenci değil miyiz? Another one. Are you not managers? Let's write it. You plural, siz. Manager in singular form, müdür. Not manager, müdür değil. Question suffix, person pronoun suffix. Are you not managers? Siz müdür değil misiniz? And the last one. Are they not drivers? Let's write it. They, onlar. Driver, singular, şoför. Not driver, şoför değil. Question suffix, mi. Are they not drivers? Onlar şoför değil mi? Onlar şoför değil mi? Alright friends, if you have any questions about this lesson, please write them in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in our following lesson. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.